friend. It's me, Tinker, and this is Vac the Vacuum Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna build a giant cannon for our pirate ship as we celebrate Pirate Week here in Tinkerland. Then we'll show you how you can build your own pirate cannon at home with things around the house. To make our cannon, we'll start by taking a big piece of cardboard like this and roll it up into a big tube by bending the cardboard like this. Now we can close it up and we can add this paper plate to the end here to close it off. But first, let's cut a little circle. There we go. Now we can tape it right here. Let's take our tape. Awesome. Now we can tape this closed. There we go. Perfect. Now we want to add some of these. These are yellow pool noodles. And we can wrap them around here. And it creates these rings to help it look more like a real cannon. One around here. Let's add a little bit more cardboard right here so that it's a bit thicker towards the bottom. Cool, look at this. Now to make this cannon blast air, I'm gonna take a black bungee cord. See how it's really stretchy? And I'm gonna poke a hole in this cardboard right here with a pair of scissors. I want one hole on this side like this, and then one hole on the opposite side right here. Now we'll take our black bungee cord here and I'll feed it through this side. So I'll put it through and then we'll poke it out the hole. There we go. Now we can tape this down to the outside. Now I can pull on this bungee cord and it's nice and secured on the inside. All right, now we're gonna take this black plastic trash bag and wrap it around the back here. I'll secure the other end of our trash bag to the bungee cord that's on the inside. I can feel it right here and I'll just zip tie it to this. There we go. Now we can paint it. I've got this nice black here. Let's paint the body this black. I love how paint can transform something to look like regular cardboard into something really cool. We can even go right over our pool noodles and our plate, but we'll have to do a couple coats of paint. And there we go. It looks so cool. Now we can add it to our giant pirate ship here. The Builder Bot is here and he brought some tools for us to use. We've got our drill and our jigsaw. But first, let's put on our safety glasses and our big yellow work gloves. Cool. Now we can use this pool noodle right here to cover the inside. We'll just wrap it around like this. Now we can just take our big cannon and slip it through the hole right here. Whoa, awesome. Now we can aim it around and shoot at things. But I want to fill this with fog so that it looks like it's blasting out smoke. So let's attach a hose back here and attach the other end to our fog machine. Now let's turn it on and watch our cannon fill with fog. Now watch this. I'm gonna pull back on our bungee and when I let go, whoa, did you see that? It shoots out a really cool ring out of our cannon. And it's powerful enough to knock things over. Let's set some stuff up to knock over too. I just love how our cannon turned out. It turned out awesome. And I love the rings that get shot out of the front. Those are called vortex rings. And it's what happens when a bunch of air in the canister gets pushed out through a small hole. You can see the same principle with this. This is an old coffee container and I took the lid off. and added a plastic trash bag like a drum. And on this side, I drilled a hole. When the air gets pushed through the drum, it creates a vortex ring. Do you see those little rings? Those are vortex rings. Building things can be so much fun, and you can build a pirate cannon at home too. We'll show you how. To make your pirate cannon, you're just gonna take a plastic or paper cup like this, and then take a pair of scissors and we'll cut off the bottom. You can have a grown-up do this part. Awesome. I like to use 2 cups and I put them right on top of each other like this, so that they're nice and strong. And then you take a balloon. Yeah, I've got this purple balloon here, and I'm gonna cut off this end with a pair of scissors. There we go. And then on this end, we'll tie a knot. So let's just tie this around. There we go. And let's open it on up like this and stretch it right over our cup end. Just like that. Cool. I like to add some tape to secure it. So let's take some tape and we'll just wrap it around the edge to secure it to the cup. There we go. That's it. And when you pull this back, it'll create a big tension. Now we can take one of our pom-poms here, and this can be our cannonball. We can put it on the inside here and pull back on our balloon. We'll pull it back really far, and then 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was so cool. A big cannonball flying out of our cannon. 3, 2, 1. You can make a bunch of these with your friends and have a cannonball fight. And you can use all sorts of pom-poms. And whether you make a small one like this or a really big one like we made before, just get out there and build one. Have fun making things. Well, it's time for us to go now, but I hope you'll come back and visit us here in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy building. Pirate fun doesn't stop there. You can see how Tinker and Bill built their giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. And they'll even show you how you can make your own pirate ship out of things you have around the house. Or check out our other videos where we show you how we made sharks out of cardboard boxes. Or see our giant octopus that attacks our pirate ship. And get ready for next time, because we'll be building a giant pirate island in the Tinkerland Park to go on a treasure hunt adventure. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.